ICEfaces is an open-source software development kit that extends JavaServer Faces (JSF) by employing Ajax. It is used to construct rich Internet applications (RIA) using the Java programming language. With ICEfaces, the coding for interaction and Ajax on the client side is programmed in Java rather than in JavaScript or with plugins. Architecture: ICEfaces is designed to work with Java EE servers, encapsulating Ajax calls. ICEfaces is based on the JavaServer Faces standard. It extends some standard components supplemented with inbuilt Ajax. ICEfaces allows partial submits. It also provides Ajax Push, a variant of commit capability that can update the DOM of a web page from the server side. Comparable frameworks: Apache MyFaces, Echo, Andorran Franks Faces, Prime Faces, Rich Faces, Vatten, ZK. References: Bibliography. External links: ICEfaces homepage. Inherent Ajax security with Java and JSF. ICEfaces. License FAQ. ICEfaces and Spring 2.5 in Java EE. MyGlimpse ICEfaces tutorial.